Hey everyone, I'm back. Just to remind you of the note that we did last day. We're going to use this to draw Bohr-Rutherford diagrams. So, Bohr-Rutherford diagrams. All right, so we had aluminum. And we know aluminum has 13 protons, 13 electrons, 14 neutrons. I did that backwards. So let's draw that up. In the nucleus, we're going to put 13 protons and 14 neutrons. And we have 13 electrons. So remember, 2, 8, 8, 18 is how many they can hold. So we're going to draw our first orbit. Now, unlike the diagram, and those are just clip arts that I grabbed off the internet, I like to draw all my electrons according to a sort of a north, south, east, and west, or a 12, 3, 6, 9 o'clock on a clock type of thing. So on my first orbit, I'm going to do 1, 2 electrons, and they're kind of at the north-south or the 12, 6 position. And now that orbit is full. It's got its 2. So I draw in another orbit, and I have to keep going. So here's number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. So you can see I went around and I kept depositing them at the northeast, southwest, or the 12, 3, 6, 9, and then I did it again. That keeps it nice and organized, and you can look very quickly and see that you have the right number. So now we have 8 out of 8 in our second orbit. It's full, and we have 10 electrons in total. So we need to draw in a third orbit. So electron number 11, number 12, number 13, done. All right, let's look at oxygen here. So oxygen has 8 protons, 8 electrons, and 8 neutrons. So we draw up our nucleus, and we put 8 protons in it and 8 neutrons in it. And now we have to do our electrons. So our first orbit, and I'll put this little thing here just to help you out again. 1, 2, and now that orbit's full. So we draw in a second orbit. Here's electron 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's our 8 electrons. There is a Bohr-Rutherford diagram for oxygen. And let's do one more here. If you remember zinc. Zinc. It had 30 protons, 30 electrons, and 33 neutrons. So we draw our nucleus, 30 protons in it, 33 neutrons in it. Our first orbit holds 2. So here's 1 and 2. Our second orbit holds 8, so we can put 8 more in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that has 8 in it. It's full. So we have to do a third orbit. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's full now. So we have to do a fourth orbit. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now this one can hold 18, so we can keep going. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Oh, no, we only wanted 30, so take that one out, take that one out, and take that one out. So we have 2, and 8 more is 10, and 8 more is 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there's our 30 electrons. That's all there is to it. Give this a try.